Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video I'm here in my studio, and I wanted to actually talk about a new segment on my channel which is going to be called Mailtime, which brings me to the next point. You know, the unboxing videos that I've been making for my channel, well, I actually kind of thought that content was relevant for my channel. I really needed some sound equipment, some video equipment, stuff like that to make this channel better. But I think it's got the better of me, and I actually just started posting way too much of those type of videos. So I kind of look back and I'm kind of thinking, you know what, the improvement on my channel is great, but it seems like this stuff is kind of like taking over. Because, you know, when you get new gear and stuff like that for your channel, you're like, you know, you're kind of excited about it. You want to share with everybody, you want to test the sound, and perhaps somebody out there is trying to pick up new gear as well, and they want to find out what does it sound like and stuff like that. Well, I didn't want this to be, you know, all these unboxing videos to be taken away from this channel. What I initially, you know, set out to do was, you know, to educate you guys on sprinters and expediting and some of the other stuff like how to make money and, you know, things like that. So obviously when you're putting out when you're putting out like unboxing videos every day or a lot of times during the week, that really takes away from what I'm trying to do, and all you have left is a lot of old information and old videos on my channel. They're really, you know, some of them they need updating, some of them they're still relevant today. But frankly, I do want to make this to be more quality type of videos for you guys. That way you could continue enjoying the experience. So anyways, here I am here like in my studio. So I have the whiteboard behind me. So I wanted to kind of use this whiteboard in order to teach you guys about some things, about some stuff with sprinters or stuff when it comes to expediting, you know, and I'm going to be using this whiteboard, you know, to help me achieve that, you know, so we could relate pictures and images, you know, as much as possible. This is if I have to draw, but a lot of times I'm pretty good at throwing pictures out here like on a screen and stuff like that during editing, so that is fine. So I'm going to be doing some of that. So anyways, where will all the unboxing videos go? Well, here's what I'm going to start doing, guys. I have so much stuff coming in every single day, stuff that I order, stuff that's being sent by my brands, and some stuff possibly maybe you guys sent to me, because some stuff I get, I really don't know who it's coming from or why did I even get it. So a lot of times I open it up, you know, the box and stuff, I'm thinking, okay, this is cool, so kids could have this, or, you know, we could have that. But you kind of like thinking about it, okay, should I make an unboxing video of that? Sometimes I end up making a video about it, sometimes not. So because I still have to kind of think about it, you know, I actually have probably like more than 30 new items every single month that I actually have to unbox. So I'm kind of thinking, you know what, I should just start a whole new channel, the unboxing channel, and I've done that. I actually started an unboxing channel. So I'm kind of thinking, you know, I think everybody kind of likes the idea of unboxing stuff, kind of like, you know, during Christmas time. Who does not like to open up presents? I kind of do myself. So I kind of figured, you know what, I'm going to start a segment on this channel which is called Mailtime. And I figured I'm only going to do it pretty much like once a week. Packages gather up during the week, you know, and I'm just going to take all those packages, open them up on the channel really quickly, not to take like hours upon hours of time. You know, we'll quickly like open it up, see what it is. I think it's going to be, you know, kind of like fun for me and my viewers to actually, you know, see that happen. Because a lot of you guys has been with me. You have pretty much grown with this channel, because this channel went from like no views to a lot of views. And I want to, you know, take it past that. So obviously I'm trying to really build a community here, you know, like of like-minded individuals like me and you, that we are do-it-yourselfers. We're trying to share information together, and we're trying to basically have this knowledge base that we're trying to share with each other. So I am trying to basically provide this information for you guys, and, you know, to help you as much as possible, whether it's your expediting or maybe that's your like sprinter type of stuff, you know, things like that. And I don't want unboxing videos to really, you know, get in the way of what I'm doing here. So obviously I haven't been getting any complaints from you guys. This is something that, you know, I'm thinking of on my own. I only have a few people that made some suggestions that, you know, if I'm going to be making some unboxing videos, you know, to make it a little bit more relevant, you know, with this channel. So maybe if it's like the tools that we're working, you know, like on and stuff like that, or what have you. So that is something I am considering. So for using some kind of tool to do a job, I know like a lot of you guys have asked like what kind of tool it is, where can I get it, like what size it is, you know, for a certain type of project. So I kind of think that's important. So that being said, that's the direction we're going to be going at. But with all this other stuff that I've been doing unboxing, like a lot of microphones and stuff and a lot of all this other stuff, I'm just going to move it to my other channel, which is called Unboxing Channel. Unfortunately, right now, it's not really getting any views. I mean, it's getting some views, probably like 10 views per day, which is nothing. Obviously, it still does not make me any money, so it's just all the video that I'm making, it's like a lot of work goes into them, yet I'm not really going to be getting paid from that, you know, and stuff. But to like you know, somebody like perhaps some of you guys liked unboxing content, okay, and maybe you're like, you know what, that's what I signed up for on this channel, that's what I want to see. Well, good news for you, I'm gonna put a link in the description below to that channel. So if you're interested in seeing some of the unboxing videos, they're slowly making it over to that channel, and I've been working on this for a couple months now, and it's been a little bit disappointing that it doesn't, you know, it doesn't really take off that fast like you wanted to. But you know, growing a channel, it is really difficult. Some people could just, you know, start a channel and boom, like 2 months they're, you know, the stars on YouTube. For me, that hasn't been the case. You know, it's taken like almost 4 years to build this channel to where it is today. So I kind of thought about it long and hard. I'm kind of thinking, you know what should I, you know, what should I do on this channel to provide as much value to my viewers as possible, and so that we could continue building this community of do-it-yourselfers and things like that. So here's some of the things that I'm getting ready to do, and I'm going to mention this again because obviously this introduction is taking a little bit too long. So I kind of thought of a few things, obviously. Well, what I said, and I want to do that once a week, possibly Saturday or Sunday. I'm kind of thinking about Sunday. So right now it's actually Saturday when I'm actually recording this, and it's a day after Thanksgiving, basically. Well, day after Black Friday, really. So basically, you know, I want to make just one video where it's like mail time, because I get a lot of packages. I get a lot of them, and I think it's just going to be fun. And here's something I do want to mention before I mention this other thing, which is actually really, really important and kind of fun. Some of the stuff I get, guys, it is absolutely free. Companies just send it to me. In the beginning, when I actually started this channel, and I started the unboxing portion of the channel, that was stuff that I was buying, and I was actually, you know, using that stuff on my channel, and I kind of like did unboxing videos. Little did I know, you know, time will pass, and like 3 years has passed actually, and at the time when I actually got 10,000 subscribers, well, I started getting contacted. You know, I call them sponsors, but really they're not sponsors. They're not really paying me for this stuff. They just send me, you know, free stuff. I could do whatever I want with it. I could show it, or I could just keep it, and you know, whatever. So I always like to do something nice with these companies that do send me the stuff, but without taking away from what I'm doing on my channel. And part of the things that I like to do is to actually provide links to, at least the minimum I could do is show the product off and provide a link to the product, you know, to Amazon. So if somebody wants to buy that, hey, it makes the company some money, they're happy, and I'm happy that I got something for free. Because some of these items that I get, it's like $300 items. You know, heck, I really don't have that kind of big budget right now to be spending on a bunch of microphones, you know, to be honest. But one of the most important things on the channel is the video, and of course your sound. So that's actually really important. So, but that being said, that's not going to be on the unboxing channel. So the other portion that I do want to mention is I'm also going to be starting another segment, and probably going to do it like once a week. Maybe like a Saturday. You know, so you know, maybe look forward to like a next Saturday. Or it could be maybe random. We will see. I am trying to organize the channel to be a little bit more consistent, and I'm working on that, so that I upload every single day at a certain like time. So I haven't really got to that point yet, but when I will be and things are going to be scheduled, I'm going to let you know, guys. But for now, I'm trying to do best I can to come out with videos every single day if I can. So that brings me to two more things. I want to start a segment that you viewers can call me, we could talk to each other, and I could actually answer your questions. So I actually think this is something that's actually really, really important. So I'm going to put this at the beginning of the video. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.